Welcome to Go Math Lesson 8.4. Today we are multiplying whole numbers times mixed numbers and whole numbers times fractions. And we then have to change the answer to a mixed number if necessary. So let's take a look at these problems. Number 2. 6 really is 6 wholes. So in order to multiply fractions, you always need to keep in mind that you multiply fractions. So you need to make everything into a fraction. So 6 is really 6 over 1. Then we have times 2/5. Now we multiply our numerators. 6 times 2 is 12. 1 times 5 is 5. Now we can't leave that as a fraction greater than 1, so we can do division, and we can do it in our head or we can do it on the side. We say how many 5s are in 12? Well, there are 2 5s, so that equals 2 wholes. 2 times 5 is 10. Subtract, and we have 2 left over, and we write that remainder as 2/5 because we keep our denominator. So we change 12/5 to 2 and 2/5. Now number 3, we have a fraction times, or a whole number times a mixed number. Neither of them are fractions, so we have to change both of them. So 3 is 3 over 1 times, now we convert this mixed number into a fraction greater than 1. So 2 times 4 is 8, plus 3 is 11. So we have 11/4, keep our denominator. 3 times 11 is 33. 1 times 4 is 4. And now this is a fraction greater than 1, so we have to divide. How many 4s are in 33? Well, there are 8, because 8 times 4 is 32. 33 minus 32 is 1, and we keep our denominator of 4. So just remember, you need fractions to multiply fractions. So you're going to change everything into a fraction. Let me do one more for you. Let's do number 9. 5 becomes 5 over 1 times, we have to change this mixed number into a fraction. So 1 times 4 is 4, plus the 2 is 6. We keep our denominator of 4. Now I have 2 fractions, so I can multiply. 5 times 6 is 30. 1 times 4 is 4. So in order to convert this, we can divide 4 into 30. Just use this little area here. 4 times 7 is 28. 30 minus 28 is 2. So we have 7 and 2/4. So 7 and 2/4 is our final answer. We could write 7 and 1/2 as well to put 2/4 in simplest form. 1/2. I hope these strategies help.